Champion's Power Equipment. Hey guys, how y'all doing?
How are you?
Doing good. What's y'all's new product?
We got a couple new products right out front.
Okay.
We've got our new tri-fuel generator. And this tri-fuel generator runs on gasoline fuel, liquid propane fuel, and natural gas.
Oh wow.
Right out of the box, ready to go. It comes with the LPG hose and the natural gas hose.
Okay.
Customer just flips right here from the fuel. One or the other. There's no changes that you have to do with jets or anything inside the engine. So very easy to change one fuel to the other.
Okay.
And a second unit that's really exciting is our electronic fuel injected generator. So no carburetor, lower maintenance, better fuel efficiency, slightly better performance over a standard carburetor engine.
Okay.
Around the corners are home standby.
Okay.
And we'll walk you through the kind of the feature set of that.
Okay.
How's it going?
Doing good, doing good.
This is our 14 kW home standby generator with a 200 amp service entry automatic transfer switch. It's a totally automatic system. It runs on your home's natural gas or liquid propane fuel source.
Okay.
It's going to start and stop automatically, so you don't have to do anything. You don't have to add gasoline. You don't have to pull start any engine. And it shuts itself off automatically, and it's always sensing the power. So when the power goes out, it'll start up for you. This is running about $4,500 retail price point. That includes the unit and the transfer switch. You need your gas guy to hook up your fuel source and an electrician to hook up the electric to tie it into your home's distribution system. And we have a network of dealers out there that can support the product and install it, or you can use your own electrician and be the general contractor on your own installation. The unit has a 10-year standard warranty, and that's one of the first to be a standard in the industry. And this 14 kW also is the largest we have right now. We're working on other models, but you could also get an 8.5 kW or a 12.5 kW at a different lower price point if that's what would meet your needs.
All right. And how much would this run you?
And how much would it run you in output?
No, in the cost.
Cost is $4,500 retail.
Okay.
Unit and switch.
Unit and switch.
Yes, sir.
Oh wow. And what kind of motor is this?
This is a Champion motor. It's a V-twin air-cooled engine, and it's gasified to run on natural gas or liquid propane. Those fuels, they call them dry fuels. So to make this not a gasoline engine, they have to use some different metals to harden up the sleeves and the rings so that it's got approximately, say, around a 2,000 hour durability.
Okay. That's interesting. You just power this right into your electrical box?
Yes, sir. This will go after the meter on this particular transfer switch.
On the outside?
On the outside of your home.
Okay.
Or depending on where you mount it, it could be mounted inside. Your utility power is going to come into here. The generator power is going to come out of here. And it's going to be using these relays and the control board to determine whether you have utility or generator power. You never want to have them both at the same time. And that's UL rated so that doesn't happen.
Now, does this work with solar?
You can back up grid tie solar with this, or you can back up batteries, but we don't support it if it's a non-grid tie application. But we have a lot of people that do in the desert up in Idaho, and it's a cost-effective solution if you're off the grid. However, there's no warranty coverage. You don't get the 10-year warranty support if it's off grid. This is designed to be hooked up where you have utility come to your house.
Okay. All right. Appreciate you.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.